Hello class. In this assignment I will be talking about two major companies. The first of which is Toys R Us and the second is the Coca-Cola Company. Both these companies are major companies and they are very well known. Toys R Us is known in or was known in the United States and the United Kingdom to say the least, and Coca-Cola is known in both these countries and many other third world countries and other countries in general. Now, Toys R Us is now closed due to many mistakes that they have done, and we will talk about the mistakes and what they could have done to prevent it. Toys R Us is actually trying to make a comeback, and they have realized some of their mistakes and are trying to rectify it. Now, Toys R Us is a toy store in which there are many toys that a kid or anybody can try out before they purchase it. They can walk around, feel the toy, see the toy, and if they like it, they buy it, which is how many stores work. Nowadays, the internet has taken over, and the internet base of Toys R Us is not as strong as many other companies, and that's why it failed. Unlike the Coca-Cola Company, which is a food and beverage company, they have a whole different system, and they have a whole different need in the market. Now, online shopping has become a big thing these days, and many people don't want to walk around the store and pick stuff because they don't have time. And Toys R Us has not adapted very well to this changing market, which is what they should have done. Toys R Us has not acquired any company recently, and basically that is known because they just went bankrupt in March of this year, and they are actually planning a comeback soon. Now, when the comeback opens up, when the store opens up again, they will have a larger online base. So they knew their problem and they fixed it. Now, the Coca-Cola Company, like I said, is a whole different kind of company. They focus on drinks and foods. This is always needed to survive and also to enjoy oneself. So Coca-Cola owns many other brands, and most of them could be seen here. They own Monster, they own Coca-Cola, they own Sprite, they own Dasani Water, Powerade, and many other companies. So what they're trying to target everybody in the market that drinks these kind of drinks. From healthy people that like unsweetened tea, to people who love soft drinks, to seltzered water, to regular water. So it appeals to almost everyone. They have many different brands, and also Powerade appeals to people who love to play sports, to give them the salts that they lose. Now, the audience for Toys R Us was anybody who likes to use toys. Unlike this case where there is only food and drinks, this is for everyone. Now, I think the strong brand, which is Coca-Cola, is doing very well because they're very diverse, and they continue to be diverse when they acquire new companies. Coca-Cola has acquired many companies over the years, unlike Toys R Us, which has been static over the years to the point where they went bankrupt due to many years of not meeting goals, financial goals. Now, if there's one thing that Toys R Us can take from Coca-Cola, is that they need to be able to adapt to the changing market. In Coca-Cola, it is adapting by acquiring new companies and getting new flavors and new items. In Toys R Us's case, they should be able to adapt to the changing economy, which is using the internet more so than a brick and mortar store. In terms of government regulation, there's not a thing that I would say affected Toys R Us due to government regulation. I think the issue was because of the store itself. The store had bad management, and they could have done a lot better if they would have seen their strategy and focused more on what the customers want at the time and for the convenience of the customers. And these are the references.